This bike actually sounds stupid. It's ridiculous. It is actually ridiculous. It's like some kind of oh, it's like some kind of primitive angry animal. Sounds absolutely positively angry and pissed off. Positively ridiculous. And it doesn't want you to ride it slow either. Like, it wants you to take the piss. And on this road especially is a road you don't really want to take the piss. It's so slippery on this road. Oh, schism on a brick. And stuff it in my left hand pocket. F me. The back is just stepping out. I don't have any traction control on because who cares about traction control. I don't know if you can hear that kind of, I don't know if you can hear the kind of like for a second. That's losing grip. It is absolutely stupid. This road should just be called like backing it in mountain. Fucking hell, mate, you're in the middle of the road. Because you can just back it in on every corner. Like, there's just no grip. Of course, I started riding slower because the freaking petrol light has come on. I'll tell you, if you had a proper race with someone up this mountain, someone's crashing. I'll tell you that much now. Alright, so I'm not gonna go as high as I was planning to on the mountain here because my petrol light has come on. I've probably said my petrol light has come on about 10 times in the last 5 minutes. Because I'm pretty sure, like 90% sure, there is no petrol up here and no petrol for far. So I might have to push this bike to the petrol station by the time I get to the bottom of the mountain. Hopefully not. Alright, so I've got exactly 10 kilometers on the fuel trip. This is turned into a fuel trip mission video rather than that exhaust video. But I've got my big camera in here. Let's whip out the cinemas. This is the result of having a fuel light and no gauge. Hashtag first world problems. I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. I don't know where my home is. I don't know where my soul is. Cause all I really want, I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. I should be on Pop Idol, man. X Factor. Thailand's Got Talent. I think I just ate a fly. Yo, bro, what do you think of my bike? I got a Ducati. This is full on eco mode. Just keep rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Just keep rolling, 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 rolling. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you're gonna do now. Keep rolling, rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Oh, it's actually getting quite fast now. Actually getting quite fast. I'm getting scared. Rolling, 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 rolling. So you think it's the perfect ending for an exhaust video that I am rolling down a hill without any sound whatsoever? You see, it's a metaphor for the future, yeah? Electric bikes are on their way. Woo, this is actually quite fun. I can't even lie. This is like genuinely quite fun. Woo! You could just have like a bet with yourself. You know, just like try to do this corner without touching the brakes. Yeah, that's definitely how you crash. Oh, listen to that. It's silent. Educati! Oh, this is actually fun. I can't even lie. But I actually want to see how far I can get. Oh shit. No, this definitely needs braking. Ah! Look at that, look at that. Will I make it? I'm definitely making that. Ooh, motherfucker. I don't know if I'm gonna make this bit. I gotta go wide. Cut in, racing line. Oh shit. Don't hit the people. Racing line. Oh no, no, no. You see, this is why everyone fucking hates cyclists. See, you can roll, mate, but I can roll. You know, I got like a what? 10,000 pound, 500,000 baht rolling going down right here, fam. You know what I mean? I got an expensive roll. You know, whoever said Ducati's unreliable, they don't know about eco mode. You flick the switch, you're good. The guy is just like eyeballing me so hard and not smiling, so I'll just give him a thumbs up. You got the bigger bike, I got the bigger bike, and you're not even smiling at me, yeah? Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna make this bit. Oh, there's a bit of an uphill here and I don't have that much speed. Lean forward. You know what I mean? Tuck in. Get the racing tuck. Oh no, I'm done out here. I'm done. I'm not making it. Yo, what's good? I'm not making it. Yo, lean forward. No. Guys, that's it. I'm done. I'm finishing. Motorman's over. The end. I didn't make it. Look, there you go. And I'm rolling backwards. That's it. I'm done with this shit. Fuck off. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Fucking hell, that ain't a racing line there, mate. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you right now, that ain't a racing line. You just did fucking supercross. You just went fucking off-road with that shit. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, guys. I know I did. Make sure you stay safe. And remember, it doesn't matter what you ride as long as you ride. Yes, that includes a uni fucking cycle, alright? I'll see you in the next episode. I swear to God, yeah, I was creeping up on this guy. I don't know why I didn't film it. Creeping up on him, I was so close to him, he had no idea I was there. I'm still going full eco mode. I've come down so far on the mountain, I'm about to get to the bottom. This guy had no fucking idea. Look. Hey, he knows I'm here now, but bruv, I could have touched this, I could have pinched his bum. The guy had no fucking idea. Yo, what's good, outro fam? Hope you enjoyed the video this week. Come up to the mountain. Ooh, I must say I do like this single-sided swinging arm and the hypermotard itself. This is like my favorite part. Just the way it's just cut off, the way it just ends like abruptly here with the exhaust. Like that, the way it just ends. I do like myself a good motard. What do you guys think of motards? You know, I always wanted a 690 KTM. This is a nice bike. I know it's not really a motard. I know it's a hyper motard, but it's not really a motard. But I gotta say, motards do it for me. I can't lie. I do like myself a good motard. What do you guys think of motards? Ooh, look at it. It's looking fucking nice right there. What do you guys think of motards? I do like myself a good motard. Motard. Your mum's a motard. You thought I was a motard? Well, you're wrong, because your mum's a fucking motard. You know what I'm saying? What are you looking at? They like fucking motards. Do you know what I'm saying? See, the motards bring all the girls to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours, I could teach you, but I have to. See you in the next episode, guys. Mo Man out.